If you want to factory reset your POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, we actually have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The basic method is to go to Settings, then choose About Phone. Over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the factory reset option. And of course, in here, you can tap on Erase All Data. You can enter your screen lock password, go next. Of course, you might want to create a backup before you move on to the next step, before you confirm. So of course, you don't lose anything that is important that you might not want to lose. And that's of course one of the ways to do so. Another way to factory reset your phone is by using the Find Hub by Android. But in order to actually be able to use it, you will need to make sure that the Find Hub is actually enabled on your phone. So for example, if you have security and privacy, then you want to go over here and then open Device Finders, and then in here we have the Find Hub. And of course, it must be enabled to be able to factory reset remotely like that. And on the other hand, if you don't have security and privacy, then you want to go to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. And then over here, open Privacy, and we have Find Hub in here. So there are a couple of different ways to actually access the Find Hub. Then you should be able to open google.com/android/find, make sure that the correct Google account is selected, and then in your devices you should be able to choose POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra. And after selecting your device, we have the factory reset device option that you can use. Last but not least, you can also use the recovery mode. In order to use it, first we need to go to the recovery mode. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And over here we can slide down to reboot. Once this circle disappears, you want to press and hold volume up. There we go. Now keep holding volume up until you are in the recovery mode. So you will see the POCO logo, that's fine. You want to still keep holding the volume up button. There we go. And now in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. And of course, you want to make sure that wipe data is selected. We confirm by using the power button. And then in here, just choose wipe all data, of course, and just confirm. And that's how we can factory reset our phone with the recovery mode. And that is pretty much it. These are all major ways to factory reset your POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.